Intuition. You can just go to the website and click Docs, which is what we're going to review on. I'm not going to go through the first page, but on the second page, we'll learn. Well, it's all based on Pug, and we have started off as a static generator, not different from Grunt and Gulp or from any of the other static generators. And here we generated CSS, but we can also generate a Pug file, right? So it just generated HTML. Here's an example of a commercial project. I'm not going to click on it, but I will show you ahead of it what a Pug project, what a Pug language looks like, and that's what Pug looks like, and we're using the standard language Pug. I'll also show you sort of a preview of cross-platform. So we have Electron, PhoneGap, and a web application. And if you notice, in Electron, it's a symbolic link. In the web, it is a symbolic link, all pointing to the PhoneGap, which has the real actual application. Right, so this has the screens. They are Pug, and again, symbolic link, and then here. So the point is that from a single code base, you have a full application. So I'll show you two things real quick. One is generation, how to generate code. Two is how to do cross-platform development. Moving on to the static generators. This is static, which means it works with SEO. Here's just a simple website. You notice that it's Pug. We can create a new page, but the important thing is that it is any static site generator works really good with SEO, as do we. Since you allow editing of a page, it means you have to be able to allow users to come in, log in, and so you have to handle user authentication and emailing, password resets, and things like that. So that's built in. So you have an admin account, and with that admin account, you can log in and edit the page. So what I'm saying is you need user authentication, and the whole thing works with API. So it's just like the static that we saw before that works on locally, except with an API. So, of course, we can get CRUD working. So CRUD application is just like any other application. There's nothing really special about it. It's not really that different from websites. You can edit just like you would any other application. So user can come in and edit their Pug, and I don't know if I'm showing anything else in here. Yeah, so it's editing a page like anything else. And it uses something called the view model. I'm not going to get into it. You can use any library you want, but we use a view model, and it's the browser extension that starts the application for us. And that's really what I want to show. I don't want to get into the mobile advanced or any of the other things yet, but basically we saw how we can generate Pug, how we can edit websites, user authentication, and how to do CRUD.